Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the printing options. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, to locate your print options, your printer's options, you can always go on top here under the menu to File. You navigate down till you find Print. Or what you can also do is you hit Control plus P on your keyboard and it'll bring up the same menu. Now from the options here, under Name, you can choose your printer. In my case, I'll just leave under Microsoft Print PDF. Then under Properties, if you click that, it will give you the properties of the printer that is selected. In my case, I've got your landscape and portrait I can set it to. And then under that, we have some basic status about it, if you are interested in that. We've got print range, so if you've got multiple pages, or if you then you can set that and it will print from this page to that page. Then to the right here, we've got copies, so a number of copies per page. So if you're doing mass production, in this one you might want to set up to more than one copy per page. Then we have your print outlines only. If we select this, then any fill shapes will be ignored, and raster images, so photos and stuff, that will not be printed. Then we have print registration marks. So if you're printing to like a PNC machine or something like that, then you want that on. We'll cover this a bit more now. And then print selection only, so only the items selected on your canvas will be printed, which is handy, so then you don't have to necessarily go hide layers if you want to do a quick test print. Now if we have the print registration marks on, now what will happen is we go to preview, and let's say we've got here show print margins and that selected. Then on the canvas here we can see that it's got the margins here, so that means this little penguin is going to be cut, so only a piece of him is going to be in the actual print. So in order to fix that, what we can do is we go to File on top here, to the top menu, and then we want to go to Print Setup. Then under this these settings, we want to set the orientation from portrait to landscape. Then we click OK. Now if we go to Print Preview again, you will see now, because it is now in horizontal or landscape, you will see the penguin now falls within the registration. So what you can also do is you can just obviously move your stuff so it fits in better, and then then you have both of them. But like I said, it's for PNC machines, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, if you guys go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just navigate to the downloads page, and then if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned, this video and more like it's available here. And as you can see, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. We also have this nice little search bar if you want to isolate your search. And if you still don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.